Zelle to Venmo? Not quite, but we can hack it. Ever split a dinner bill with friends and wished there was an easier way to settle up? Between Venmo's social features and Zelle's lightning-fast transfers, both seem like fantastic options. But what if you want to send money from Zelle to someone on Venmo? Can you directly beam those funds across the digital divide? Hold your horses, money transfer mavericks. While both platforms reign supreme in the realm of sending and receiving cash, a direct Zelle to Venmo transfer isn't currently possible. That doesn't mean you're stuck, though. Buckle up, because we're about to crack the code on this peer-to-peer payment puzzle. Why can't you just send straight across? Let's break down how these two services function. Zelle acts like a high-speed bridge, connecting your bank account directly to the recipients. It's a one-way street, moving money instantly from point A to point B. Venmo, on the other hand, operates more like a digital wallet. You connect your bank account or debit card to Venmo, then use the app's balance to send or receive payments. Think of it like a virtual piggy bank you top up before doling out cash, digitally, of course. Here's the key difference. Zelle deals directly with bank accounts, while Venmo focuses on its own internal balance. That disconnect is why a direct transfer isn't on the menu. So, how do we work around this wall? Fear not, friends. There's a clever workaround that utilizes the magic of linked accounts. The secret weapon? Your trusty bank account, which can act as a bridge between the two platforms. The two-step shuffle, Zelle to Venmo. Link up your accounts. This is the first dance move. Make sure both your Zelle and Venmo accounts are connected to the same bank account. This establishes a common ground for the transfer. Maneuvering the money. Here's where the magic happens. Use Zelle to send the money to your linked bank account. Since it's your own account, the transfer should be instant. Topping up the Venmo piggy bank. Now, head over to Venmo. You should see the option to transfer money from your linked bank account, the one that just received the Zelle transfer. Voila! Those Zelle funds are now magically deposited into your Venmo balance, ready to be sent to your recipient. A few caveats to consider. Mind the fees. While Zelle itself is generally free for personal transactions, always double-check with your bank. Venmo charges a small fee for certain instant transfers. Factor that in when planning your money move. Transfer times. Zelle transfers are typically instant, but topping up your Venmo balance might take a bit longer, depending on your bank's processing times. Double-check details. Sending money online requires accuracy. Always confirm your recipient's information before hitting that send button, both on Zelle and Venmo, to avoid any mishaps. Zelle to Venmo, not a direct route, but still achievable. While a direct transfer isn't on the table just yet, with a little account linking and strategic maneuvering, you can still send money from Zelle to your Venmo-using friend. Remember, it's a two-step shuffle, but with a bit of planning, you can bridge the gap between these popular payment platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.